Okay, so this video is going to show you how to do averages and standard deviation. Should be pretty basic. Hopefully you would have gotten this somewhere else, but if not, here we are. So, excuse me, this is our data. So these are our trials that are all right here, right? And I noticed with this particular piece of data, we have, for some trials, we have more data than we need, or we have lots of data. Other trials, we don't have as much. It doesn't matter for the calculation. So anytime you want to make a calculation, you start with an equals, and that lets Excel know that you're going to do an equation. So for average, I'm going to type in average, and then I'm just going to highlight all of this row, okay? Notice I didn't go into length, I didn't go into diameter, because those isn't the time here. And then I just simply hit enter, and it's calculated that for me. And then I just pull the little square here, I pull that down, and it's calculated all my averages. If there's a blank here, it just ignores it. But notice if I put a 0 here, the average just went down, right? But if it's blank, it just ignores it. So you don't have to worry about not having blank spots. Okay, so easy, average, dead easy. Standard deviation then is the same idea. So we push the equal sign, right? It's right there. That tells us to do it. We do standard dev, just that one, and then you highlight the same things you just highlighted. Now remember, you would only do this if you have 5 sets of data or more. So in this case we have 6, and the other ones we have more than enough data to do this. And then all I do is highlight that, pull it down, and I have the standard deviation. Okay, it's easy. If you see something like this, where you see like 4, all that means is that that square, the space you've allocated here, is too small for that. So if you just move that out, it's fine. Okay? Now, what else you might want to do is you might want to say, in this case, we're looking at diameter and length. Okay? We're looking at diameter and time, the average time. But here, you might see that we don't really want the length. That's a control variable. It's here for another reason, but I would copy that. And then if I wanted to copy it to another table, this one's easy, but you would just go to Edit, Paste Special, and I just want to paste the values. And then same with the averages. So if I copy this, and I just do a copy paste, you get that, right? And you can see what it's trying to do is it's just copied the formula. So instead, you go to Paste Special and just paste the values. So then it'll just paste all the values there. Okay, so that's just a useful thing to be aware of when you copy and paste these kind of things, because trying to graph this is a little bit trickier. But hopefully this video showed you how to do the average, standard deviation, and then being careful about copying stuff. Okay? Thank you.